Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Just wanted to pop in and say hi, say hello, say how are you doing on this beautiful Tuesday. If you've seen any of my latest content in the past couple of days, you'd know that I am launching a beautiful, delicious, amazing new PDF this next week actually. So I'm launching a new style guide, and I want to just quickly pop on here and talk a little bit about exactly why I did that, what's in it, how it can help you, and so much more. So the thing is, right, as women, we all know that feeling of when you have somewhere important to go, you have somewhere to be, you're doing something critical and you want to make that amazing first impression, and you put on that perfect outfit that you curated in your mind and you put it on and it just fits like a glove. It does what it's supposed to do. You feel confident, you feel alive, you feel ready to conquer whatever it is that you need to do. And I decided to put together this PDF style guide called CINCHED for you guys because I want you to be able to replicate that in your everyday life all the time. Now you may ask, well, what comes in this guide? Why do I need this? Why can't I just Google how to dress better? And the answer is, after working with so many different clients of all ages, all races, all body types, I have learned so much from you guys, and I'm so thankful that I've had the chance to work with so many lovely women. But I've learned a lot about exactly what we're worried about when we're getting dressed. I've learned the types of insecurities, the types of things we want to cover up, the things that we want to highlight, how we want to do that, different ways that we can utilize clothing, different silhouettes and styles and structures and optical illusions to do that. And I have curated this guide with the 5 most challenging body type issues and flaws that we want to hide, and learned how to flip that on its head. And while yes, I love so much doing my virtual and in-home closet edit sessions and personal styling and event styling, sometimes people just want the opportunity to discover their personal style in the comfort of their own home. So that's also why I wanted to do a self-taught guide so that you guys can take things at your own pace and try things out in your own time, because everyone's different. And I'm so excited to just bring all these like no frills, simple, straight to the point style tips for different parts of the body so that you can know how to properly elevate them, hone in on exactly what works best for you and take your style to the next level.